Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something exciting and namit na food, and I will call it folded pizza. Okay, so we need to have our dough. Here I have six. I made six dough, and then I just cover this anay sa aton kitchen towel, but that's moist. Now I need dough. There. I need some pepperoni. Rose, salamat sa pepperoni. Damo akong pepperoni. Oh, thank you. I need some Italian seasoning. I need, this is bottled cream cheese. And then we have here our tomato sauce. We have our grated cheese, our pepper, and our caramelized onion. Okay, so to begin, this is my bread dough. So we have to make it into circle, and then we will fold. We'll put the filling, and then we will fold. Okay, I want to okay. Okay, so first thing is I will cover this with cream cheese. Tay-chutay lang kuno Tay-chutay lang ang cream cheese Okay. And then I will put in our cheese. Ay, karoon na ng cheese. And then, may kimpit-kimpit man ako, pero I have here. It's better to hold it. Next is we will put some of these peppers, and then I will put some caramelized onions, and then sprinkle some cheese. Ano ko kabalo kung di ko ibutang. Ay, nag-cheesean ko na nino. Sige lang. And then tangan tani sini chutay lang, just a teeny weeny bit. Okay, that's all. I'll just add some of this Italian seasoning. Chutay lang, just a pinch. And then next is I will fold. Yan. Alamos. Ako na niya nga palagpat yung folded pizza. Okay. So this is what I will do. I will pinch the edges so that they will be together forever. And then hindi put too much. It's okay. Bala ka mo da. Then I will, wait lang. I will get this one. I have here our baking tray. Ano naman yung gangirip? Anong ngirip kay mo yaman? Okay. Twist and turn. Twist and turn. Papamalhas na si ako sa ngirit mo. Okay. Then I will gisi-gisi. Yung pangirit, tapos yung gisian. Ano ko nun na ya? Kinawag ka pakipot, tapos yung gisian. This is vent actually. Okay. Now, I will put this in my tray and then brush it with egg, beaten egg. Yan. So I still have to make more. So dali lang gid ha, kay tapuson ko lang. See you later. Hey, look here. I have the last 3 batch of this folded pizza. So this will go to the oven. I have difficulty sealing the edges. Pero sige lang, let us find out how it will look like later once it's done. So see you later. Here are the folded pizza that I made. Look. They are so funny looking. Look at this, oh. What if I just made it into pizza? I just want to fold it and then show it to you. Hindi na siya init, kaya bahaw na niya. Yan. Look at it. So nice. So, kaunta everyone. Thank you for watching.